All right, so as a barber, I know how to cut my hair, obviously. I've been doing it for the past 2 years, almost 3. And as you can see, we've been doing our hairs. We're gonna see if this is actually a worth it type of deal, whether or not this is actually gonna be something you can actually use. Now, obviously, it's way different than actual barbering because barbering is considered your hair, and this isn't clippers. It's a trimmer, and it's used for other things, other manly parts and stuff like that. So that's what we're going to be using this for. But obviously it's YouTube, so we're not going to be doing that fully. We're going to be doing our arms. As you can see, this is a little sneak peek of it. We're going to be doing our arms, our legs. We're going to be doing it without a guard, and then we're going to do it with a guard. And we're going to be doing the lowest guard on here as well. So I'm just going to be telling you whether the benefits or not, and a bit of the best points of this, such as you can actually pop this open and clean it for yourself if you choose to do that, which is pretty cool because you can actually just easily maintenance this, and it'll be really good for long use of using it basically. So, which is pretty good because a lot of people don't actually think to take care of their clippers, but this is actually a must to be able to keep your clippers in good condition and just basically make them last longer for your money, you know? So we're gonna be getting into everything like that, such as blade care and everything else like that. We're gonna be telling you whether or not this is actually worth the price tag. Let's get into it.
All right, taking a look at the clipper here. We're going to go ahead and wash it just because of the first time when you use it. You don't want to have any of those chemicals on it since, just for extra assurance. Now, as you can see, this is waterproof and it has a port on the bottom, USB Type-C, and you can see that I'm actually putting the water directly onto the port, and it doesn't really do anything. So it's fully covered when it comes to being waterproof, and you can use this in the shower on and ready, and it does have an LED light, so you click it twice in order to activate it, a third time to turn it off, and then that's pretty much it. So with no guard, we're going in with just, some light hair that we have on our arms that we accumulated for this video. Not a lot, but still a good amount. And you can see it's taken a lot of it down. It's pretty good. But now we're going to do a little bulk test. So we have a little fair amount on our legs here, no guard. And we're going to do a one swipe type of thing here. Boom. As you can see, it cuts down the bulk really, really good, like butter, smooth, and it's good. Super, super nice. And you're going to see the end results for this and how good it actually performs. When it comes to like bumps in different areas that are rigid, you do have to move your skin a little bit and then go in, make it flatter. But when you're working this where in its intended spot, your manscaped area, you want to be a little more gentle and slow, but this is exactly how it'll look, very smooth, and it's actually really good. This is with the first guard, the very smallest guard. That's what that looks like. We're going to complete it down now. So to take care of your blade, obviously you're going to want to use some type of blade care or some type of cleaner. Shake it in, do about 60 seconds in there, and then do it like that. It's very simple to actually clean it, but if you want a more in-depth like actual clean, if you want to deep clean it, then you can actually pop the top off and you can actually clean the inside. You can lube the blades themselves and something like that. It does have a ceramic blade, so it's going to last a very long time, and it's actually able to handle a lot more stress when it comes to more clipping. But yeah, it's pretty good for the price. It comes with the dock as well, and it actually just works really, really well. Very flawless. I prefer this over Manscaped in my opinion because it actually is able to do a lot more. It's noticeably more powerful. So without further ado, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next one. And we out.